Well, hi George, how are you today? Looking good. And you're eating a lot lately. Well done. And I saw you in the background behind George. How you doing, Wibbly? Yes, me too. You have to get your teeth cleaned tomorrow. You will not be happy. And look who's been wanting to get my attention all morning. Hey, Henry. He attacked my microphone. Must have thought it was a mouse or something. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Welcome to day 15 of Vlogmas. It's going to be a low-key day today because it's Wednesday. And if you've been with my channel for very long, you know on Wednesday nights I go live and the men challenge the women to a friendly game of Hangman. So I always try to play it close to home because a couple of times I've almost missed my own live stream due to traffic and other unforeseen circumstances. But I do have to go to the post office, I have to mail a parcel, and I've had a few people tell me that they've sent me parcels, so I'm going to go see if they've arrived. And if they have, when I get back, we'll open them and see what's inside. And of course, we have a Christmas story advent calendar to open. I wonder what will be revealed tonight. Stick around, we'll find out. I received a lot of mail today, and I can't wait to get home to open it. But first, lunch. And this is what I'm having for lunch. SKYLINE chili. And give me a minute, and I'll show you what I bought. I'm not sure if you can tell through all the cheese, but I'm having 3 cheese conies with onions and mustard. Let me have my lunch, and I will give you a review. As you can see, the conies were delicious. And now, let's open some mail. Well, this was serendipitous. I wasn't sure what I was going to do for you today for Vlogmas. I mean, on the one hand, I want to take you different places. On the other, I know that really a Vlogmas is just a way of showing you how I prepare leading up to Christmas, things I do, just things in life, in my daily living. And there's kind of a fine balance. And I know we've done different things lately. So today, I thought I would go to my P.O. box, and boy, was I glad I did. Wait till you see some of the nice things that I was sent. This is a very beautiful card. Look at this. Hopefully you can see it. It's focused. And I won't read the contents, but it is from One Ringy Dingy. So thank you, One Ringy Dingy. And the envelope had, I don't know if you can see, make sure there's no address, it has Snoopy in the Santa outfit. So thank you, One Ringy Dingy. It's very kind of you. And then I received a card. This is really cool. It reminds me of Christmas Story when Flick stuck his tongue on the flagpole. Let's see if you can, hopefully I can get this to focus. There we go. And this is from Tana Poor. So thank you, Tana. Thank you so much for that. That's a very nice cards. Oh, and this one's very nice. This is die cut. Look at this. A male and female cardinal. And this is from Betty Rayburn. So thank you, Betty. Very beautiful cards. I like to send them up on my mantle and look at them during the Christmas season, and even after Christmas I keep them up a couple weeks so I can enjoy them, sometimes longer than that. So let me show you the first package I received. This is an order from Amazon from Rocky Coyote. So thank you, Rocky. Look, 365 days of cats. Very cool. And on the back you get to see what it looks like. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I bet I can't get it to focus. Wow, Cashew, just wow. Well, trust me, there are beautiful cats on here. It's calico, a little gray and white. So thank you, Rocky Coyote. This is great. I love calendars. I usually have like a half dozen, and I've only bought like one so far. So thank you very much. He also sent this. You've got this. And this is wisdom to get you through the good, the bad, and everything in between. That is so nice. And I was looking through it. It has beautiful photos. Look at this. Here, give you an example. The secret to getting ahead is getting started, Mark Twain. And then look at the little goat picture you have with it. Isn't that nice? And this is just chock full of them. Here's another one. Honesty is the key to a relationship. If you can fake that, you're in. Richard Jenny. He's a comedian. Very, very nice. Wonderful pictures through. Oh, I'll show you this one, and then we can move on. Brene Brown. We don't have to do all of it alone. We were never meant to. And look at the cute little goat. Thank you, Rocky. That is just absolutely wonderful. So thoughtful. Thank you so much. And then this was very touching. A while back, I'd mentioned I was having trouble finding spam singles, and for whatever reason, I guess because of the stores, people buying them up, or they're having trouble getting them delivered, but a lot of the stores are having trouble getting spam singles, and I've been searching and couldn't find any. And as I mentioned before, you know, George, when he goes to chemo, my little ritual, it kind of gives me a certain sense of grounding in this thing that I can't control, which is his cancer. I'll go through a drive-through and get a unsweetened iced tea and have a spam single, and that's kind of the one thing I can do while I'm waiting on him getting his chemo. And so Sandra, bless her heart, Sandra Grow sent me 10, count them, 10 spam singles. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. That is so kind. And here's the little card that came with it. And the penguin. I wish I could get these to focus, because they're very nice. Come on, Kim. There we go. A penguin with a Christmas tree. Very, very nice. Thank you, Sandy Grow. It means a lot to me. And in fact, I could take one with me tomorrow, so thank you so much. And then, let's see, over here, I've received something from 2 people. And this blew me away. It shocked me, and I'll tell you why in just a minute. Let me kind of unwrap it here and put it over here. This is a nice card, very nice card. Our wish for you at Christmas. And then we play the focus game. But you get the idea. And it's from Kenneth Winters and Cindy Hoynoski. So thank you. Thank you, Kenneth and Cindy. I appreciate it. Wait till you see what they sent. First thing they sent, and I actually saw this at one of the Asian restaurants that I frequent, and I thought about getting it. I thought, oh, I'll just wait and get it later on, and I'm glad I did, because look at this. This is ginger tea with honey. Look at that. Look at the ginger in this. So you add it to water. I think it said a 3-to-7 ratio of the tea to water. This is fantastic. Thank you so much for this. This is great. It comes from Korea, and I'm looking forward to trying this. Like I said, I saw this at one of the Asian grocery stores, and I thought about getting it. I thought, well, I'll just wait, and I'm glad I did. So thank you. Thank you so much, Kenneth and Cindy. And look what else they got me. Since I'm having tea, you can't have tea unless you have a tea cup or a tea mug. And look what they got me. Cat Dad. The perfect child has 4 legs and fur. Ain't that the truth? Thank you, Kenneth and Cindy. That is so thoughtful. Thank you both so much. That is absolutely great. And if time permits, I'm going to wash this and use it for tonight's Hangman. Hopefully you'll see it. We'll see. And then, last but not least, bear with me, Cindy and Thomas O sent me something, or some things. They sent me some socks with chili peppers on it. Look at that. Oh, chili peppers. Funny story about chili peppers. I ordered the grilled cheese burrito last night from Taco Bell, and I got somebody's order. They had put all these jalapenos in there, and you know, unbeknownst to me, because I've never had them before, and so I got a little bit of a surprise when I bit into it and got some kick. So that was great. So thank you, Cindy and Thomas O. And I received a card from them, and look at this. It's the card that one Ringy Dingy sent. Let me show you. So here's Cindy and Thomas O's, and this is one Ringy Dingy's. Great minds think alike! Well done. Excellent. And I also received another card from them. Actually, George, Henry, and Wibbly received a card. And it's from Socks and Mustache, who are Cindy and Thomas O's cats. So from her cats to their cats to my cats. So thank you, Cindy and Thomas O, and thank you, Socks and Mustache. That was very, very kind of you. And wait till you see what I got. This is great. This is another thing that I saw that I enjoyed it, or I liked it when I saw it, but I thought, oh, I'll get it another time. And this is for next month, or next year, Goats in Trees. Look at that. Goats and trees. And then you get a full year of Goats and Trees. Well done. Thank you so much. My battery's running low, so give me just a second. Sorry about that. My battery icon was flashing red, which meant it's about ready to die. So in case you missed it, thank you, Cindy and Thomas O, for Goats and Trees, the calendar. A full year of goaty goodness. Look at that. So thank you all so much for that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Very thoughtful gifts. And according to the old clock on the wall, it's almost time for Hangman. So let me get ready for that. And then afterwards, we'll do the Advent calendar. See you then. Well, I just finished my live stream, and tonight, Hangman was won, once again, by the ladies. Congratulations, ladies. And now, before I end Vlogmas for tonight, we get to check out the newest figure from the Christmas Story Advent Calendar. So let's go check it out. For tonight's selection, I think I'll pick the trunk. Let's see if there's junk in the trunk. Give me a second, and I'll pry this up for us. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Open up the trunk. Oh, it's a second part of the Christmas tree. Let's see. Oh, and I dropped it. I'll be right back. So here is part 2 of either 3 or 4 parts of a Christmas tree. I was wondering when they were going to show up. So I guess we'll have to wait another day or two before we see how big the tree will be. And I hope you liked today's selection. And I hope you liked today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring notification bell. And until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.